Okay, so let's quickly recap week 2, look ahead to week 3. So week 2 discussion over risk. I haven't graded those yet, but very, very good this week, very active. There's a few that didn't get in there yet. So I do accept late work there, so if you can, try and get those in sometime today. The essential questions discussions, there's very good so far on the most part. Again, though, there's a few of you that didn't get in yet, so try and get that in. I try and have everything graded for you by Sunday so you know where you stand come Monday morning. I've graded about half of the reflections and the risk assignments so far. Those are all really good. I'm going to finish up some grading tonight, but again, I'll have everything graded by you for week 2 in the morning so you guys will know where you stand for the class. So looking good so far, good start to the class. So let's pull week 3 over to this screen. And okay, so this week we're going to continue on learning more about risks, and we're going to cover the difference between risk and hazards. We're also going to talk about the impact they have on security. So for our discussion, we're going to go over hazards. I went over some of the different types of natural disasters that we encounter. You're going to choose a specific disaster, and then you're going to describe it and provide an article that shows how deadly the type of event was. And then you're going to go over the police response and what part did private security play in it, and then go over the type of obstacles each of them had to deal with in working that natural disaster. Okay, for your writing assignment this week, you're going to read over 2 articles covering the Hurricane Katrina disaster and the tsunamis in the Indian and Pacific Oceans. You're then going to analyze them and compare them by utilizing the Venn diagram. So in the announcement, I put a link to a download one, or if you want to download one yourself for a Venn diagram to complete the assignment, you can do that as well too. Okay, then we have for week 3, again, we have our quiz as well as a check-in. You're going to submit your responses to the following questions. How are you feeling at the midpoint of this class, and how can I, as your instructor, provide more assistance to you? So, and then you're also going to have a chance to review and go over your midterm exam directions this week as well. You will be taking your midterm next week in week 4, but this week you can kind of preview it and get ready for it. So again, if you have any questions for me, please reach out to me. You can always email me, like I said, and a few of you have called and texted me, so feel free to do that too. Again, if you're behind any classwork, let's get caught up. Pretty soon midterm is next week 4 coming up, so we'll be at the halfway point of this class already. So I want to make sure you don't fall too far behind. So, okay, good luck to all you in week 3.